What is this? Coolant? I better note that. Alright. The engine filter is not too bad. Let's see the cabin filter condition. Oops, I'm sorry. Oops. To remove this, have to pinch both sides. Ooh, this one is bad. That one is bad. I'm not gonna pull it out. Okay, here's 17. And this is one of my favorite tools. Woo! And I do have an Amazon link down below. Okay. So sometimes the old gasket will stick up here. Make sure to remove it. There we go. Old one out. New one in. For this guy to spec. Here we go. Careful not to make a mess. All right. Yeah. Tight it. There we go. Make sure this one is tight. Yep. Oh no. I'm not going anywhere. What? Oh my goodness, dude. Are you kidding me? Okay, here we go. We might gonna go need this here. Oh yeah. You get out. There you go. So alright guys, so when you do this, do not shut the door because this thing is going to go forward. Whoa, whoa. Alright, need some adjustment here. There we go. It's not working if you have a drum. We're just going to go ahead and retorque this thing. Alright, disc worked pretty good. Drum? No, we gotta go ahead and retorque this guy. Okay, gotta put this back. All right, it's gonna take 5W20.
Jesus Christ.
All right, let's go put this back. Gonna go add this one. It's part of the service, and this guy is really hard to pull it out. Let me read for you. All right. We are almost done, but I gotta put this back together. I'm sorry, Mr. Customer, I don't mean that, but yeah, you need the cabin filter. Okay, remove the older sticker, put this one in. Now let's go start the engine and reset the maintenance light. Select this menu until you reach settings. I missed it. It's right there. Look for service interval. Press OK. And this one's not set. Alright, it's not set, guys, so we're just gonna leave it that way. So this is important because the customer is relying on this sticker. All right, let's go ahead and check. Well, put this back and check our fluid level. All right, put this back. Oh, yeah, when you put this back, don't forget about this. There we go. Then install this two stopper. The dampener is already in. Okay. And put this thing back as organized as possible. Okay, then we're gonna add this washer solvent. There we go. And let's go ahead and check for proper level. Alright guys, this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We are good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.